Now it's time to check the Land Cruiser a little again. It's a long time since last time I've been doing something here. So I have put on the charger a little here to see if I can get some power and start it up. This battery is not good. The other battery is a little better. So I just have to try. See if I get started. Disconnect the charger and put on the battery clamps. Maybe just put on the charger again. Push in. .13 voltage. There it opened and everything as it should. And these floor mats are basted. It smells very bad, so everything had to come out. First now I see if I can start it. Let's see what's going to happen. I'm not sure if the battery have enough connection. It started very easy. The thing I have to check now is the seat belts. Because the seat belts in the back are not good. The one in front here is okay. No problems. Still I have this problem with connection to the air conditioning system. I have to find out what that is. And now it's starting to be so wet in here that the mats and everything starting to get mushrooms. So it's have to do something. I put in this one to take up fluid. We see in here, but as you see, it has to take out something. It's not good enough. Here you can see seat belts are green on this side and that side. The one on the seat I think was okay. Now to see if I can get to check the one in the back. I just put on the back seats. To be honest, I haven't checked anything on the back seat before, so I'm not sure how they are when I start to put them up here. So I just have to see. And as you see, I don't even know how to do it. Yeah, it was dirty on the other side, but here it looks nice. The mechanics and things around there are dirty, but the seat actually looks nice. Dirty? Yes. Like everything else in this car. It's very dirty. This seat belt is nice. Need a good clean. This seat belt is nice. This is slow to go back. I think it's filled up with dirt. That should be okay. This seat belt is nice too. Luckily, maybe clean. That's good. It's very good news. The seats in the back of the car is nice. Seat belts need cleaning up. But that's okay. Everything in here needs cleaning up. Then it's only the 2 seat belts here I need. Okay, that's good, and it started without problem. I need the thing on the back. This floor has to come out, but my back seat is better than I was afraid of. Yeah, that's okay. Something positive. Then when I'm finished with the Kia in the garage, I have to see if this one is the next coming in to do something. First I have to take out the floor mats. Here I have to go out. It's finished. So the seat have to go out, the middle console. Not sure how far I have to take it out. But I think I have to take out everything to find out what's bad with the connection on the climate control system. Okay. And I have to start with the front lights. And the dents here. The dents here. Also some dent on the other side. I have to take off the screw that was breaking off here. The engine has been going very long, but I think it's okay. It started very easy and was no problem like that. And of course I have to polish this ring. And find out what was going wrong with the connection to the climate control, because this was happening and I was standing up in a steep hill here. Suddenly that was jumping up and I can't get any heat or nothing into the car. Okay, at least some positive thing come out of it. I checked the back seat is nice. That's good. Thank you. Please, if you like to see more about this car and my other cars, please subscribe to the channel and like if you like the video. This was just a short update, but for me it was a positive thing for once. Thank you.